अस्सलाम वेलकम टू आवर another episode of Peppermint Kiddos podcast. मैं हूँ सबीन आपकी दोस्त और होस्ट. I love to read. Books are our best friends. हमारी आज की गेस्ट रीडिंग भी करती है. शी इज ऑल्सो अ राइटर. तो आइए वेलकम करते हैं अपनी गेस्ट मरियम को. अस्सलाम मरियम, आपने हम बारे में कुछ बता सकती हैं?
मेरा नाम मरियम जुल्किफर है. I'm 14 and I was born and raised here in Islamabad and I'm a young writer.
आपको उसके बहन भाई हैं और आपके स्कूल का नाम क्या है?
I have one older brother and the name of my school is International Marif Schools.
तो आपकी फेवरेट हॉबीज क्या हैं?
My favorite hobbies are book writing, book reading, storytelling and drama.
आपको बुक राइटिंग का आइडिया कैसे आया?
The idea for book writing was मैं शुरू से अपने बचपन से बहुत ही ज़्यादा I was so into book reading. I love stories and मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था कि मैं दूसरे लोगों को अपनी imagination से चीज़ें वगैरह बनाऊँ.
तो आपकी जो फर्स्ट स्टोरी थी उसका नाम क्या था?
मेरी फर्स्ट स्टोरी का नाम Tales of River Thames था. My book was fantasy adventure. It was basically about a group of friends who accidentally wander into fairyland and then they can't cope with magic and everything else going on.
Which type of fairyland?
The fairyland was basically a bunch of fairies that were hidden in the forest apart from human civilization and they were basically going extinct.
What kind of magic?
The magic was basically like fairy magic, inside magic, you could say. They didn't really use wands or anything. It was just related to nature and more forest and like cottages and stuff like that.
आपका फर्स्ट राइटिंग पीस क्या था?
My first writing piece was a story. It was a very short story about like a monster and there's a little girl who accidentally befriends him.
तो आपने किस एज में शुरू की थी और आपको राइटिंग का शौक बचपन से था?
Yes, I was a lot into storytelling and book reading since childhood. Or मेरा पहला piece, I think I was like 6 or 7.
तो आपको एक स्टोरी लिखने में कितना टाइम लगता था?
Ek story, if you ask about a long-term project, it takes about like a year at most. Uski sari refining, the first drafts and everything. But a short story piece would usually take me about 2 days.
सो राइटिंग के वक्त आपको मुश्किलात नहीं हुए?
Yes, there are a lot of problems like writer's block. I can't find the right words sometimes, not enough inspiration. So there are many problems like that.
So how do you cope those problems?
Basically, I take a break from everything going on and I try to go into a peaceful mode where I can relax for a little time. And then I try to come back into that workspace, focus more, and do a lot of research and work and other stuff like that.
Sounds amazing. तो आपको पीस किस चीज़ से मिलता है?
मुझे पीस बहुत सारी चीज़ों से मिलता है, like chatting with my friends, maybe going out with my family, playing with my cat, or maybe just even book reading or sleeping.
So what is your process of writing book?
The process of writing my book is I first like to think about the idea, what I want the story to be about. Then I start writing it in tiny, tiny parts, how I imagine my characters reacting to a situation. Then, after I have a good amount of the book writing, then I move into the drafting process where I write a bunch of drafts. Then I add final touches and the book is ready.
So how many pages do you write in a day?
If you combine all of it through schoolwork, my creative writing and everything, I would say about 2 to 3 pages.
So स्कूल के साथ आप राइटिंग को कैसे अफोर्ड करती हो?
I like to incorporate my writing into school tasks. Like, for example, if I have any task such as maybe designing a poster or maybe writing something, solving anything, I like to think about it and I try to explain it. So I put creativity into that explaining part.
आपको बुक लिखने के आइडियाज कैसे आते हैं?
Basically, I take inspiration from things around me, like anything new happening, maybe some new event, some horrific event, politics, and stuff like that.
मेरे लिए अगर मुझे एक स्टोरी लिखनी है तो आप मुझे क्या टिप देंगे?
If you really enjoy story writing, then you can definitely do it. Because story writing is all about expressing your emotions and putting what you're thinking in your brain onto paper.
सो आपके बुक में सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट क्या है?
I would say the most interesting part is when the fairy queen and the main character start arguing and then they're going back and forth and just keep fighting and fighting.
So how many characters do you have in a story?
I have multiple characters. The human gang is of 6 teenagers, and then the fairy gang is about 12.
So what do they fight about?
Basically, the fairy queen keeps the human protagonist trapped in the fairyland, and she's fighting about wanting to going back. But the fairy queen wants her to do work for her instead.
So what is the name of the fairy queen?
The fairy queen's name is Yova Ladema.
So अभी हम एक गेम खेलेंगे, उसका नाम है वर्ड एसोसिएशन गेम. उसमें मैं वर्ड्स बोलूँगी तो आपने उसके आगे कोई भी वर्ड बोलना है.
Okay.
The first word is book.
Book, Tales of River Thames.
Rainbow.
What?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. I would say red.
School.
School, exams.
Dreams.
Dreams, writer.
Politics.
Politics, Pakistan.
Fantasy.
Fantasy, fairies.
Fairies.
Fairies, vampires.
Vampires.
Blood.
Wow, you got an amazing imagination.
Thank you.
अभी आप कोई बुक लिख रही है या फिर आपने सोचा हुआ कि आप फ्यूचर में लिखेंगी?
I'm currently writing a book and I also have future plans for more books.
What is it about?
It's about a girl who was diagnosed with borderline personality disorder.
What is the inspiration of the book?
The inspiration of the book, I have no idea how, but I just had an idea one day and I started writing about it related to chess.
So आप बुक्स लिखने के लिए आप कहाँ से आइडिया सोचती हैं?
I usually take inspiration from things around me, like events, movies, TV shows, books.
What kind of TV shows?
I like watching comedy. I like watching drama, thriller, adventure.
So आपकी स्टोरीज में मॉरल्स होते हैं?
Yes, there's lots of morals.
टेल्स ऑफ थीम्स का मॉरल क्या था?
There were plenty of morals in Tales of River Thames. One main thing was keep your friends close, but keep your enemies closer.
How can we find your book? वो किसी शॉप से मिल सकती है या फिर ऑनलाइन है?
I'm actually putting it online in parts. I'm currently looking for options right now. So I have a bunch of things in mind, such as Tumblr or maybe Wattpad or even maybe an online PDF on good books.
मुझे आपसे मिलके बहुत खुशी है. तो मरियम, अगर कोई बच्चे अपनी स्टोरी राइटिंग स्टार्ट करें तो आप उन्हें क्या एडवाइस करेंगे?
My first advice would be कि ज़्यादा books पढ़ें. जितनी ज़्यादा stories वो पढ़ेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा वो एक्सप्लोर लेंगे राइटिंग का, उतनी ज़्यादा बेहतर वो अपने फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस कर पाएंगे.
सो मरियम, आपसे मिलके बहुत खुशी हुई. तो मुझे आपकी जर्नी और आपकी स्टोरीज के बारे में सुन के बहुत मज़ा आया और देखने वालों को भी मज़ा आया.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mariam, for coming.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching and listening our podcast. अगर आपके पास भी कोई क्रिएटिव आइडिया है या फिर कोई स्टोरी है तो शेयर विद अस एंड फॉलो अस. बाय बाय.